Most SEO advice focuses on one thing: traffic. But traffic alone does not pay the bills. You can rank number 1 on Google and still make $0. In this video, I'm going to show you how I build SEO pages that actually make money, not just pages that look good in analytics. This is not theory. This is the exact framework I use for real businesses. My name is Leet, and I work with SEO, Google Ads, and business automation every day. I don't chase vanity metrics. I care about revenue, conversions, and return on investment. If you're a business owner, marketer, or someone tired of the usual SEO fluff, this video is going to save you a lot of time and money. So, here's the truth. Most SEO fails for 3 simple reasons. First, people chase traffic instead of intent. They spend all this time and money ranking for keywords that bring in visitors, who were never going to buy anything in the first place. Second, they pick keywords with no business value. Getting tons of informational traffic looks great on a report, but it rarely converts into actual sales. It's a feel-good metric that doesn't impact the bottom line. And third, they completely forget about the business model. If a page doesn't have a clear, obvious way to make money, it's not an asset, it's just content floating on the internet. Let me be clear. SEO without a solid revenue plan is a total waste of effort. It's like building a beautiful store with no cash register. That's why my first step is always to start with the money. Before I even think about touching an SEO tool, before I look at a single keyword, I ask one simple question. How does this page make money? Is its job to generate leads through a form? Is it meant to get people to book calls on a calendar? Is it selling a product or service directly? Is it driving phone calls or appointments for a local business? If I cannot clearly and immediately answer that question, I do not build the page. It's that simple. Revenue always comes first. SEO comes second, to support that revenue goal. Once I know how the page will make money, I move to step 2. Finding buyer intent keywords. These are the golden phrases people search for when they are ready to take action right now. You'll recognize them by certain words, like best, pricing, cost, review, near me, services, higher, or when they compare 2 things like X versus Y. These keywords attract people who are already in the buying mindset. They're not just browsing. They're actively looking for a solution to buy. As a bonus, these keywords also attract high-paying advertisers on platforms like Google Ads, which increases your page's overall value in the long run. Remember, traffic without intent is just noise. But traffic with intent? That's revenue waiting to happen. Ranking is only half the job. Once the right person lands on your page, you have to convert them. Every money page I build follows a simple, effective structure. First, a clear headline that instantly communicates how you solve their problem. Second, you need trust signals right away. This could be your years of experience, testimonials, case studies, or any kind of proof that you know what you're doing. Third, focus on the benefits, not the features. Don't tell them what your product is. Tell them what it does for them. Fourth, have a clear call to action above the fold, before they even have to scroll. Then I add in facts section at the bottom. This is great for SEO. But more importantly, it answers common questions and removes objections before the user has a chance to leave. SEO brings people in. A strong page structure turns them into customers. Now for a pro tip, something most people miss. I use SEO before I ever spend $1 on ads. SEO is my free testing ground. It tells me which pages are converting, which keywords bring in actual buyers, and which offers people respond to. Once I've identified what works organically, then I scale it with Google Ads. The SEO page becomes the blueprint, and the ads become the amplifier to get that proven offer in front of more people. Fast. This simple strategy saves thousands of dollars in wasted ad spend, because you're not guessing what works, you already know. So let's do a quick reality check. If your SEO page does not have a clear offer, a clear action you want the user to take, and a clear business goal tied to it, then it's not a revenue page. It's a hobby page. Traffic alone is not success. Conversions are. Your SEO strategy should support your business, not distract from it with vanity metrics. If you want my simple checklist for building SEO pages that actually convert, check out the link in the description below. In my next video, I'm going to break down why most Google Ads accounts lose money and exactly how to fix them. Subscribe if you want real business systems, real SEO, and real results, not myths. Thanks for watching.